Good guys, I was thinking of having a doorbell with a security camera, and after doing a bit of research, I came across this product named Connect Smart Home, where you can buy it at Harvey Norman. The display price is about $139, but I bought it for $69, which is a bargain. I reckon at this price range, it is the cheapest doorbell with a video that you can get it out there. So let's quickly unbox it. So this is the doorbell, well built, and I like the black matte finishes here. It comes with the power plug chime. In my case, I can put it upstairs or you can put it anywhere far from your main door. There's a little box here where you can find the little screwdriver, cable charger for the battery, and wall plug accessories. For the power plug chime, you can control its volumes, and it is nice touch, so you can easily access the button. If you have an existing doorbell, you can set up wired connection into this doorbell, which is a nice option. Otherwise, you can use it wirelessly using the rechargeable batteries, and you can charge it using the provided charger via USB. Now we go to the setup process. But before that, make sure you install the Connect Smart Home apps in App Store or Google Play. And once you install it, you can find type of devices you want to pair. So firstly, you need to press the reset button for 5 seconds until the doorbell off, and then press back the doorbell button until the blue ring appears and flash rapidly. Then you will be prompted by the doorbell voice like so. So once you see the blue ring flash rapidly, you can press confirm. So now it's ready to be connected. So you need to place the doorbell so it can scan the QR code. You will hear the sounds. And once you hear it, you can press I heard a prompt. Now it's connecting, so we just wait. So it might take us a few minutes. Alright, that's quick. So it's done. So you can go back to the apps and check its security videos quality. The battery remaining is 10%, so you need to give a charge. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.